Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 12 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. Today we have a easy problem. Yay! I'm still recovering a bit. I don't know. Honestly, I ran yesterday for 10 kilometers during a race, and I think I hurt myself a little bit. I don't know. Being old is terrible. Do not recommend it. But yeah, so I'm still recovering a little bit. My back is sore from I don't know. Maybe I slept weird. That's what happens when you're old. But right now it feels a little bit better because I slept on the floor, like hard wooden floor, to kind of maybe you know uh, uh, improve my back a little bit. I have to get back on exercising. I mean, I've been going to the gym. It's just that I was just so sick last week for some reason, or a couple of days ago. Really, it's not even a full week. So yeah. All right, let's look at today's problem. No intro because I just want to get this done, and I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it's easy anyway, but I also want to do another virtual contest after this. So yeah, we have 1266 minimum time visiting all points. We have a 2D plane x of y of I. Return minimum time to visit all the points in the order given by points. Okay, so you don't have any choice, so it's just maths, right? So maybe you have like yeah, there are a number of ways you can write this. Maybe you have like for ax ay, bx by in sip of points. You know, but I think there's like a cleaner way to write this. I mean, I think this is tight, but it's not quite efficient because this does do a slice. But yeah, right. And then this is just like you can maybe say d for distance, ax ay, bx by. This is regular whatever, right? Vertically, horizontally, diagonally. What? Oh, then in that case, that's just min of xy, right? So it's just min of not min, max, sorry, max of the delta, right? Something like that, maybe. I mean, I don't know. The reduction is, you can kind of see, right? You can play around some examples. I think that's the thing. I mean, the thing that I always talk about is, visualization. And, sometimes I do visualization for you, but I want to, I want you to practice that muscle of, one, just doing your own visualization, but two, the reason why I do it that way sometimes is because I say it like this sometimes is because I think there's just many ways to kind of visualize the same thing. And, I think the reason why math can be tricky sometimes, like when you kind of think about it way back when, like when you were much, like not comp sci math yet, but even just like when you're younger, is that they always have like one way of teaching it, right? Like there's a popular way, and maybe that popular way is good for, I don't know, I'm making these numbers up anyway, but maybe that popular way is good for 80% of people, and that's fine, right? Like it's good for, I don't know if it's good enough, but it's okay enough, say, for educating 80% of the people. But if you're in the 20%, you just maybe need to see things a slightly different way. I think that's the thing that I always try to say. So you have to figure out what works for you. And yeah, and I still discover new ways to kind of think about things all the time, right? And once you kind of play around with these ideas, you may have multiple visualizations tooling for yourself for the same problem. And once you kind of be able to have different tools in your toolkit, then things kind of just get a lot faster, right? That's where the speed comes from. The speed does not come from typing speed or whatever. Sometimes sometimes when you watch those TV shows where they're hacking, quote unquote, and they're like, it's like, nah, I mean, sure, I type okay. I mean, I don't even type that fast, by the way. I type like 120 to 150 words per minute, depending. Maybe a little bit slower on programming. I think that's just English. So like, not super fast, but there's just not that much code. It's just about, kind of writing it, thinking about how to write it in a clean way, right? Anyway, that's it. That's all I have for this one. This is going to be linear time, constant space, right? Depending on how you count this. How did I get a wrong answer before? Oh, I just forgot to type absolute. That's kind of funny. Anyway, but yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of the weekend, maybe, or just start of the next week. Yeah, I am slightly feeling better, but I'm still trying to, still definitely not 100%. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Stay good, stay healthy, to mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.